Ever wondered why doctors always seem to be in white coats? It's not just for style or to look professional. There's a deeper reason behind it. You see, these white coats are like a superhero's cape, keeping things clean and sterile. Just like how you'd want your baking tools to be spotless when making cookies, doctors need their tools and themselves to be super clean to keep you healthy. Now think of the white coat as a clean shirt. It's a barrier that keeps any potential germs from the doctor's regular clothes away from you. It's their way of ensuring they do no harm and keep you safe from any unwanted germs. And why white, you ask? Well, white is a colour that shows up dirt and stains clearly. So if a doctor's coat gets dirty, they'll know right away and can clean it. It's like a visual reminder to maintain cleanliness, which is crucial in keeping everyone healthy. But there's more to it. White coats have been around for ages, and they've become a symbol of trust and respect. When you see a doctor in a white coat, it's a reassurance that they're professionals who are there to help you feel better. So, next time you see a doctor in a white coat, remember, it's not just a fashion statement, it's a symbol of cleanliness, trust, and their commitment to your health. Isn't it comforting to know that?
Well, that's all there is for this nugget. You can go on to the next fact, or ask a question of your own. Just go to Ask a Question in the navigation and we'll answer any question you have about anything. And if you're not on our site, just go to nuggetstoKnow.com and you'll find everything there. Until next time, keep chasing your wildest dreams and uncovering new adventures.